Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. So Telegram usually turns on the sensitive content if someone on minor age is operating the app. So you have to manually go and uncheck that. So for that, you have to go to Telegram web and search for that. As you can see, here is Telegram web link, and it will take me to a demo account of mine. So if you are using a Android or iOS device, I'll suggest you to go on your app, and the rest is almost similar. So now you have to click on the three dot, and after that you have to go to settings option, and after that you can see privacy and security option here, and after that you have to search for a sensitive content, and as you can see sensitive content and disabling filtering. My content is enabled disable filtering. So if your sensitive content is not enabled, so you can just click on here and it will activate the disable filtering. So that's it for today's video. Hope that you find this video informative, and see you in the next one.